The whole point of owning an old car, it's a choice rather than a chore. I own it because I love it. I choose to drive it because I love it. I choose to go off and have fun adventures with it because I love it. There's no aspect of that car being tedious. It's a glorious morning and there's nobody around. The road is mine and I'm driving through these wonderful sweeping bends and I have this amazing vista ahead of me as the sun's coming up. And it's so, so beautiful. You couldn't get any better than that. It's a wonderful car to drive. The first thing you notice when you get into it is there's so much visibility. So you're in this car, but at the same time you have a real sense of the environment around you because there's no blind spots. You're able to see everything, so you really connect with where you're driving in a very different way to being in a modern car. Driving for me represents independence, I suppose. You know, the day I passed my driving test was the first day of my life where I could disappear and go and do whatever I wanted to. That was a great experience. It's not the tightest of Gearshift patterns. You know, you have to ask her to go from first to second. You have to ask her to go from second to third. You're not going to just slide in and out without committing to it. And the same with the clutch and accelerator. They all work together beautifully as long as you're paying attention and as long as you're listening to the engine. She wears her age well. There's a few wrinkles here and there. She's got the patina of age, but I don't care about that because it adds to the story. You know, if she was too clean and too shiny, I wouldn't want to drive her. And at that point, it stops being as much fun. My name is Catherine Sutton, and this is why I drive.